Hey guys, Levi for the Rag Company, and in today's video, I'm gonna answer the question, how long do my towels last? Well, that's entirely up to you, because as a customer, you're gonna buy the towels, and at that point, it's how you're gonna use them. Maybe you like to just wipe up a bunch of grease and oil with them. Well, I probably wouldn't wanna wash those out, so I probably just toss them when they're done. Maybe you're using them for ceramic coating, and you just wanna wipe and toss. That's fine, you can do that. Or maybe you're a person who's saved your money and you've spent a good fortune, a mini fortune on towels, and you want to take care of them. Well, it's very simple. As long as you're washing them properly, which as I state is cold water, free and clear detergent, half a cup of distilled white vinegar in the rinse or bleach port, fabric softener port on your washing machine, and a cold dry, which means no heat. If you do those things, and you don't add a fabric softener or any of that kind of stuff to it, you can get a long life out of those towels and you can protect that investment that you made. So as long as you're taking care of your towels and you're using them for the intended uses, you're using glass towels for glass, you're not using them for wax or tire dressings, you're using paint towels for paint, and you're using interior towels for interior jobs, as long as you're doing that and using the towels in the intended purpose, you can get quite a long time. At my own garage at home, I detail a lot of cars for folks on the weekends, and on those kind of weekend jobs, I get about a year to 16 months out of my towels. Now, I could probably increase that, but I am using them pretty hard. You know, Anthony here at the Rag Company has a few towels, a few Eagles that he lovingly takes care of, and I'll admit, he's better at taking care of his towels than I am. But he's got some that are almost into 5 years old now, and they are still going strong and they still feel soft and plush. So make sure that you're washing your towels the right way. Just remember, cold, free and clear, cold. And that's the easiest way to remember on how you're gonna be washing and taking care of those, and making sure that you're storing them properly. We love using totes with lids. That way we don't get any dust, debris, there's no bugs that kind of climb into it and get stuck in the towels. This way it keeps them protected and airtight. And if you can get all those things done and take care of those, they'll last you a good long while. So fret not. One of the big things about the Rag Company is we use a very high quality yarn, which allows you to wash your towels quite a lot. We actually have a dairy farmer that buys our towels for his milking machines to clean out the milking machines that he puts on the udders, and they actually last over 1,000 washes before he has to retire those towels. Again, he's using them for a different purpose, but he's still running them through a washing machine. He's still able to use the towels effectively, and he's getting a lot of washes out of them. And that's one of the things that the Rag Company prides itself on, is a very high quality product that will last you a very long time. So hopefully that answered your question, and if you guys have any more questions, make sure you write us at info@theragcompany.com. We'll be sure to answer those, or leave your comments down below and we'll get to those as well. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos right here, the Rag Company FAQ channel.